Hi, welcome to Driving TV, and I hope you are well. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 reasons to avoid driving lessons. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 reasons why you should avoid driving lessons. Let's start the lesson. Okay, so number 1, why you should avoid is the freedom. You don't want the freedom. You don't need the freedom. And when I say freedom, what do I mean? What I mean is that driving license is going to give you the freedom that you need to get to the places that you want. It'll give you the freedom to go to the place whenever you want, wherever you want. You could take the family with you. You could take your friends with you. It will give you the freedom to take your children to places. For example, your child needs to go to swimming. They need to go to football. They need to go to school, college. You need to go to work. Maybe your workplace is quite far. You've got a new job. It's a good job, but it's quite far. It will make it easier if you have a driving license. It'll give you that freedom. So a driving license will give you the freedom that you need to get to places. If you want that freedom, you should have driving lessons. If you don't want that freedom, if you don't need that freedom, then you should avoid driving lessons. Number 2 is the patient. Now, just because you want the freedom, which is number 1 we've already talked about, now for you to learn, you can't just learn overnight. It's going to take time. It's going to challenge your patience. If you think that you're just going to go to the driving lessons and you're going to take 10 lessons, 5 lessons, and you're just going to pass, it's not going to happen. You'll have to be patient. You'll have to go. You're going to have good days. You're going to have bad days. For you to learn fully the driving and for you to go and pass the test, you need to go through a journey which is going to challenge your patience. You have to be patient for you to learn to drive and for you to pass the driving test. It's not going to be easy for you to get a license. Because if you think that it's going to be easy, I don't have the patience, I'm just going to start and go and pass, it's not going to happen. Because there are a lot of things you need to learn. Okay, you need to learn how to move the car, how to stop the car, how to deal with roundabouts, crossroad, junctions, maneuvers. There are a lot of things you need to learn. And for you to become a full driver and to have a license for you to drive, it's going to challenge your patience. You have to be patient when you start to learn to drive. Okay, so number 2, make sure you have the patience. If you don't start driving. Avoid driving lessons. Number 3 is one of the most important, is to believe in yourself that you can do it. If you think you can't, you believe that you can't, it's going to be too hard, driving is not for me, don't even start. What's the point of starting if you don't believe in yourself that you can do it? If you don't believe yourself, who's going to believe? You're just going to go to your driving lessons and your driving instructor is going to keep telling you what to do. You're just going to go around the circle, and in the end, you're not going to do it. You're not going to be able to do it. You're just going to keep on failing. Why? Because you don't even believe that you can. Remember, the first thing is you have to believe that this is what I can do. This is something I can do. I can achieve. It can be hard. It is hard for me to learn, but if I push myself and if I keep on working and if I'm patient and if I believe I can, I can. Others are doing it. You're not the only one. Millions are driving. Millions are joining every year to learn to drive, and they're all passing the driving test. Why can't you? If you are learning and you need help on learning and passing the driving test, don't forget to take the advantage of our online course. The course gives everything a learner needs to learn to drive and to pass the driving test. It has everything a learner needs. I will leave a link on the description for you to have a look. Have a look and see and read, and if you like it, you could always join the course. And the reason you can't is because you don't believe you can. So don't even start the driving lessons unless you believe you can do it. If you believe you can, trust me, you'll push the bar and you'll do it. So it's the belief going to push you to do better, push you to learn, push you to pass. So number 3 is to believe you can. Number 4 is to understand that learn to drive and passing the test is not the same thing. Just because you've learned and you know how to drive the car, it doesn't mean that you're going to go and you're going to pass. Why? Because if that was the case, those who goes to the test, do you think they don't know how to drive the car? Why are they failing? If driving was the only reason you should pass the test, then why all those people who goes to the test and they don't pass? Eventually they do, but why are they failing? Is because driving and passing is two different things. On the day of your driving test, you have to be ready mentally. You have to prepare yourself. You have to believe that you can do it. Just knowing how to drive on the day, you can't control your emotion. You are too nervous. Doesn't matter how much driving you know, you're still going to fail. Why? Because you don't believe, you are too nervous. You have to learn to drive and prepare mentally, be strong that you could do it. That's one thing I say to my learners, is that just knowing how to drive is not enough for you to go and pass the driving test. Passing is another thing. On the day, you need to make the day your day. You need to make believe that I can do it. You need to overcome your nervousness, your anxiety. Because like I said earlier, all those who goes to the driving test, many, they fail the test. Why? Is it because they can't drive? Of course they can, because if they can't drive, they're not going to go to the test, are they? They will only go to the test if they know how to drive the car. But they go and they fail. Why? Is because driving and driving test is two different things. On the day of your driving test, you need to overcome your nervousness, your anxiety. You need to believe you can. You need to be strong mentally. Only then you could go and pass the test. So just because you could drive, don't think you're going to pass. For you to pass, prepare mentally, be strong mentally, believe you can, go and you will pass your test. And number 5, the reason for you to avoid driving lessons is don't have time for other road users. You don't have respect for other road users. If you don't, and you don't have time for others on the road, you don't have the patience for others on the road, you should avoid driving lessons. It's not for you. You're going to be dangerous to yourself and you're going to be dangerous to others. Why? Because don't forget, the roads are not just for you. There are thousands, there are millions on the road who are there using the road. And it's not just cars, people walking, and there are so many things there are so many people, so many things using the road. And this is why we say road users. Why? Because on the road you will find cars, vans, cyclists, motorcyclists. You will have people walking. They're not even driving, they're walking, they're crossing the road. People crossing the road with children without holding a hand. They're walking with dogs without any lid. What could happen? The dog could just run in front of you. The child could just run in front of you. Remember, this car is a weapon. Unless you control it, it's going to kill people. So if you don't have time for others, and if you don't respect other road users, you should avoid driving lessons. You shouldn't have the driving license. Why? Because you don't have the patience, you don't have any respect for other road users. You have to have respect for other road users for you to be safe for yourself and for others. So these are the 5 things I'm sharing in this video. For you to learn and for you to get the license, you need to have those 5 things in your life. You need to believe in those 5 things I've just mentioned in this video. So I hope the video helps. If you need extra help on learn to drive and to pass the driving test, don't forget to take the advantage of our online course, which gives everything a learner needs. The course has more than 30 videos in the course, giving you everything you need for you to learn and for you to pass the driving test. It has everything you need. I will leave a link on the description for you to have a look. Have a look and see and read. If you like it, you could always join the course. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please do give a thumbs up. Please do make a comment what you think of the video. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. Hope to see you again on the next video. Bye for now.